To create this beautiful garland, you'll need 10 of these orbs. If you want it longer, use more orbs. I did make this out of 4 centimeters circle, so go ahead and cut out your circles. You'll need 6 for each. So if you want to make 10, you'll need 60 of these. So let me show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel free to do this out of magazine pages, music paper, candy wrappers, anything you want. Be as creative as you like. So then you're going to go ahead and fold each one in half. So I want more print, so I'm actually going to put the one with more print in the inside because the outside will be covered with glue. So once you've folded the 6 circles, you're going to go ahead and stack them and glue them. So go ahead and stack all 6. This would be beautiful. I was thinking for a book-themed baby shower, beautiful for a wedding, birthday, really anything. Just, it's very creative and very unique. And it's a great way to upcycle paper. While I'm doing this, it would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. Thank you very much. Now, once you've created the 10, you're going to go ahead and take some twine. You could use ribbon as well. I like the rustic look of this twine. And cut off a generous amount of it. And what you're going to do, starting on one end, you're going to glue this in the center area, and then we'll close the circle around it. So add glue to the top edge. Glue this in place like so. You could do this with a glue gun as well. And then you're going to add glue to both sides. And then we're going to close it around it. And then when you open this up, look how beautiful that is. And I'm going to make a string of them, make sure that they're evenly spaced. So I'm going to go ahead with my next one. Place glue on that seam. Depending on how far apart you want them. And then you're going to put that right in that middle. Squeeze to hold it for a second. And then there's your next one. So this one I spaced 5 centimeters. So I want my next one to be the 5 centimeters apart as well. Go ahead and use your ruler to make sure you're at the 5 centimeters apart, which I am not. Just glue to close it. So I'll keep on adding all 10. Super excited about how this is going to come out. And if you were doing like a children's birthday party that had a theme, you could use wrapping paper from that theme or children's books pages to make it nice and colorful. But how beautiful is this?